Hello, welcome to LF's broadcast room. Let's explore the knowledge of space frame.
LF is professional in steel structure and space frame design, manufacturing, consulting, and technical service. Products mainly used in high security civil buildings, such as stadiums, large span warehouses, and workshops, characterized by wind resistance and earthquake resistance. And the structural stress is repeatedly statically determined. Shuzhou LF specializes in serving overseas markets. The customers served are distributed in the Americas, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Europe. Overseas customers and projects include ThyssenKrupp, the Presidential Office of African Countries, and the world's largest churches in Nigeria, Philippines SM, Shell Petroleum, Japan Mitsubishi, BASF. Many large-span coal sheds constructed by LF had passed the safety test of Typhoon Haiyan in the Philippines in 2013. LF has been carrying out technological development and R&D of steel structures and space frame with many patents, also been approved by some institutions like BV, SGS, AWS Manufacturing Welding, Technical Assessment, International Experience, Factory Assessment, and Installation Ability, recognized by Alibaba as Strategic Cooperative Enterprise and Gold Seller for Overseas Market. LF also serves as board member of the China Steel Structure Association, vice chairman of Shuzhou Cross-Border Chamber of Commerce, vice chairman of Shenzhen Chamber of Commerce, and other social positions, leading Chinese companies to overseas. The mission of LF is to make itself a respected leader in the steel structure industry. Let the customer choose LF without regret.
Now let's have a tour of our factory. These are in the process of wet machining. This is the painting of the rods. Drill a base hole for the bowl. Then the bowl is machinized. Bolt ball is solid. The weight is very heavy, need to be placed on the support with the aid of tools. The bolt balls are sprayed with zinc to prevent corrosion. This is dealing with sandwich panels. The process in our factory is orderly, fast and quality guaranteed. Let's look at some details of the space frame structural components. This is space frame samples. The colors are custom made and you can choose any color you want. These are high-strength bolts, which increase the stiffness, strength, and vibration resistance of the connection by applying a pre-tension force to the connector. This is the bolt ball. Bolt ball as an industrial connector. Its role is to fix the thread onto objects to connect or fix. Bolt ball is widely used in various mechanical equipment and engineering components, such as automobiles, aerospace, ships, electric power, electronics, petrochemical, etc., bearing the important task of connection and fixing. This is the sleeve. The function of the sleeve in the space frame is to hold different kinds of screws and bolts. Sleeve, commonly known as the nut without grain. There is a small hole set to the high-strength bolt. The hole is aligned with the high-strength bolt on the keyway. Screw the top wire into, so that the wrench on grain nut sleeve at the same time the high-strength bolt inside the rod will rotate. The following shows you how to install the space frame structure. Rock wool board, also known as rock wool insulation decorative board, is an inorganic fiber board made of basalt as the main raw material by high-temperature melting processing, which is a new type of thermal insulation, fire insulation, and sound absorption material. The artificial inorganic fiber made of raw wool board by high-temperature melting has the characteristics of lightweight, low thermal conductivity, heat absorption, and non-combustion. Here are some different colors of roof panels. Windscreen is used to build a variety of storage yard windscreen, dust suppression wall, mass products, most of which are made of polymer composite materials. There are also aluminum-plated zinc steel plate as the substrate surface spray processing. Let's take a look at some project cases. The dry coal bunkers building function is mainly used for large storage warehouses, so it must have a certain storage and working space. That is, the structure must meet certain clearance requirements. This is the glass facade of the church in Botswana. Glass curtain walls have significant advantages in terms of aesthetics, lightness, energy saving, functionality, ease of maintenance, and design flexibility. These advantages make glass curtain wall widely used in modern architecture and become one of the representatives of modern architectural aesthetics. The installation process of the aluminum, magnesium, and manganese plate roof system should be located in a reasonable position in the total construction process of the project. The construction process of the aluminum, magnesium, and manganese plate roof system should be arranged in an independent construction section to be completed continuously. In the construction of roofing projects, if there is a project construction that is higher than the roof in the adjacent place, it should be started after the wet work of the adjacent project is completed to protect the roof project from being damaged or used as a support surface for scaffolding. This is a demonstration of an arch barrel shell installation, characterized by a large span, high height, and a wide coverage area. The cylindrical shell of circular space frame structure has many advantages, such as strong structural stability, large coverage span, beautiful and unique shape, construction efficiency, environmental protection, economy and applicability, etc. These advantages make the cylinder shell structure have a wide application prospect and development potential in the field of circular space architecture. Then we will show you the space frame structure stadium installation. The space frame structure stands, with its excellent design advantages, have become the preferred solution for today's sports venues. It not only greatly improves the space utilization rate, but also shows a high aesthetic and modern sense while ensuring the safety of the structure. This is a demonstration of the spatial frame structure and roof installation of the Hand of God Cathedral in Nigeria. Reunion Island Revolving Steel Structure Restaurant. Using high-strength steel and high-quality glass, it has excellent load-bearing and wind-resistant performance, ensuring building safety. Make full use of natural light for illumination to reduce energy consumption for lighting, saving energy and reducing emissions.
The first thing you see is a spectacular panorama of an international airport in Yangon province. The design of the terminal combines modern and traditional elements and stands in a streamlined position under the blue sky, like a phoenix with wings ready to fly, symbolizing the hospitality of the people of Yangon and the infinite hope for the future. Entering the interior of the terminal, a spacious and bright hall with a reasonable layout is displayed in front of you. In the video, the interior decoration of the terminal is cleverly integrated into the ethnic customs of Yangon. From murals to sculptures, every detail tells the story of the land. Yangon Airport Terminal design pays special attention to green environmental protection. The video shows the terminal roof greening, rainwater recycling system, and energy-saving lighting measures, which not only beautify the environment but also effectively reduce energy consumption. Through the huge floor-to-ceiling windows, passengers can also enjoy the natural scenery around the airport, as if they are in a moving landscape painting. The lower structure of the terminal adopts reinforced concrete frame structure. The roof and supporting roof structure are hyperboloid shape, and the quadrangle pyramidal space frame structure is adopted. The supporting structure of the roof is steel ribbon, conical steel pipe column, and variable section box swing column. The main structure of TR terminal adopts frame structure, and the space cove network supported by concrete filled steel tube tree is used in the main building area, which not only enhances the stability of the building but also gives the building a modern aesthetic sense and a sense of space. Every departure is a new exploration, and every arrival is a yearning for a better life.
Daxing Airport adopts a centralized radio layout, which is composed of the central main building and 5 radio finger corridors with 60-degree angles to each other, forming a configuration similar to the phoenix spreading its wings, implying good luck and harmony. This layout not only increases the number of parking slots, but also optimizes the efficiency of aircraft operation. The architectural structure of Daxing Airport shows uniqueness and innovation in the overall layout, support structure, construction technology and innovation, as well as internal space and functional design, which not only improves the travel experience of passengers, but also reflects the concept of energy conservation, environmental protection, and intelligence. Weighing more than 30 tons of gas station shed roof for cranes joint operation. This is the opening ceremony of the Hand of God, the world's largest steel church designed and built by LF. Finally, let's take a tour of the Nigerian cathedral. The space frame structure of the Hand of God Cathedral fully demonstrates the excellent performance of modern building technology. It greatly reduces the thickness and weight of the dome through the ribbed design of warp and weft, making the interior space of the church more spacious and bright. At the same time, this structure also improves the earthquake resistance and wind resistance of the church, providing a safe and reliable place of worship for the faithful. If you have a similar project, you can contact us at any time. The above is all for today. LF is to make your project a success. If you have any questions or cooperation, please feel free to contact us.